to my YouTube channel, and here we are going to work on this building drawing problem. And as it is said here that figure 2 shows a sketch plan of a bungalow. Study the sketch plan with the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. So this is the sketch plan as you can see here, and on the next page here we have the specifications that we are to use to work on the plan. As we are told here that we are to draw to a scale of 1:100 the floor plan, the front elevation, and question B says we have to draw to a scale of 1:50 the view for section KK. Alright, so we are going to have a video for each of these, and let's see how it goes. Now we are starting with the sketch plan as you see it here. So the first thing that we need to do, if you are used to this work, is that we need to replicate what we see here, and this is how I will go about it. Let's look at it. Now the first thing that we need to do is to draw a horizontal line. So I'm going to draw horizontal line from here. Okay, so I will draw horizontal line here. Okay, so then I'm going to draw a vertical line on this side. I will draw a vertical line on this side. Okay, alright, so I will draw a vertical line here like this. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement, and this is how I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it from this end to this side, or to the right side, from this right side to the left side here. So the first dimension that we have here along this horizontal line is 3,200, followed by 3,500, followed by 1,200, and followed by another 1,200. Then we have 3,500 here. So I'm going to take the measurement, as I said, from the right side to the left side. So I'll be taking 32 because we are given a scale of 1:100 for the front elevation for the plan and also for the front elevation. So I'm going to take a measurement of 32 millimeters here. This is 32 millimeters here. So the next is that is 3,500, that is 35. So we are dividing each dimension by 100. Then followed by 1,200, that is 12 millimeters. So here we have 12 millimeters here. Then the next is another 12 millimeters, another 12 millimeters. So I will take 12 millimeters here. Then followed by 3,500, so that is 35 millimeters. So here we have 35 millimeters. So we have this. Then coming to this vertical side, coming to this side here, so I'm going to take a measurement of 35, that is 3,500 here. This is 1,200. Then we have 2,100. Then we have 3,600. So I will come. So I'm taking it from here down. So I'm going to take 35 millimeters at this point. So this is 35 millimeters. Then followed by 1,200, that is 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. Then followed by 2,100, that's 21 millimeters. Okay, then the last one here is 36 millimeters. 36 millimeters. So we have what we have this. Alright, so now, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to draw a horizontal line from this point. This horizontal line that I'm going to draw, so is for this line. Okay, then we come later and get this line. But let's draw this horizontal line to this side. So if I draw a horizontal line here, okay, so it goes in this direction. Alright, so I believe you can see that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to draw this horizontal line, because this horizontal line that we have here is in line with this horizontal line. So if we draw this horizontal line, it is also meant for this horizontal line, so that we can bring out this bedroom and also this study room, and then we work out this water closet, and then we also get this bedroom here. So let's look at it. So if I draw a horizontal line at this point here, so draw a horizontal line at this point, so to the left side, then I can bring out the bedroom here, so which we have taken its dimension on this side to be 32 millimeters. So I will draw a vertical line here. Okay, then coming to the study room, so we also draw a vertical line. Sorry, we draw a vertical line here, and then coming here, I will draw a vertical line. Okay, then I will also draw a vertical line here. Then we have another bedroom here, so we draw a vertical line. So this vertical line, I'm going to take it down. Okay, so take it down like this. All right, so we are taking it little by little. So if you look at what we have done here, so this bedroom is here, this study room is here. Then we are going to work this out, because the dimensions for the distance from here to here is not given, and also from here to here is not given. But looking at what I see here, so though in the question, I expect them to tell the candidate that they should assume suitable dimensions where unspecified, and I can't see that here. But if you are used to this work, so I believe you should be able to record that. You should be able to record that. So very, very important. There are things that we have in this work that you are expected to do yourself, even if it is not stated. And we have so many of that in this work this time around. So I will let you know that, which I believe that as a very good technical drawing student, and you have really practiced building drawing, you should be able to do that yourself, and I believe you that you did. Okay, let's go. So let's work out this part that we have here, this water closet here and this water closet. So I'm going to look at it this way. I think distance from here to here and distance from here to here, they are almost the same. But what I will do, I will work it out myself. So what I will do is that, since the distance that we have from here to here is 35 millimeters, so what I will do is that I will take the distance from here to here, I will take it as 10. So I will take 10 millimeters from here down here. Then I will come here and take 5 millimeters. Or so looking at it, they're almost the same. They're almost the same. The distance from here to here, they're almost the same as distance from here to here. Okay, so I will just take it as 10 millimeters. Let me take it as 10 millimeters. The reason is that we have a door here. This D2 that we have here, let's look at its width. D2, the width of D2 is 900. So I cannot take 5 millimeters from here to here. That door will not be fitted. Okay, so we can't fix it within that distance of 5 millimeters, while the width of D2 is 900. So we have to make it 10 millimeters. Okay, so just take note of that. So what I'm going to do now is that I will take a measurement of 10 millimeters here. This is 10 millimeters. Okay, then and coming up here, so I will take 10 millimeters down too. So this is 10 millimeters. This is 10 millimeters. Okay, so then I can draw horizontal line like this here, and then also I will draw horizontal line here. Okay, so we have created that particular compartment, the water closet here and here. All right, so let's go and also okay, so let's if you look at this line here, this line here goes with this line. This is 1 200, 1 200. So we have already taken this 1 200 from here to here. So I will draw a horizontal line also, so that we can create that particular part. So draw a horizontal line to this end here. Okay, then another thing that we have here is that the distance from here to here is not given. The distance from here to here is not given. Even the distance from here to here is not, but I'm going to take this as 5 millimeters from here to here. I will take 5 millimeters from here to here. Okay, so that 5 millimeters, I need to take it here. Okay, don't let me take that 5 millimeters. There is something that I need to do. I think it may not be 5 millimeters because this line is in line with this. So I need to come down and take these dimensions along this line. So let's take it. So from here, okay, okay, so I need to start from this side here. I need to start from here. I need to start from it because this vertical line that we drew, the vertical line that we drew here is in line with this. So I will take 35. I will take 35 millimeters. This is 35 millimeters here. Then followed by 5,000. That will give us 50 millimeters. This is 50 millimeters here. Then followed by 3,700. And that will be 37 millimeters. So this is 37 millimeters. So you can see what I said. Because I think, okay, I take the measurement, it is 5 millimeters. Yes, it is 5. So looking at that distance, I think I got it that it should be 5 millimeters. So now, so let's draw a vertical line for that. So we come here and we draw a vertical line. We draw a vertical line like this here. Okay, so now, so this distance, that the space that we have from here to here, it is for the distance from here to here, which I believe you understand. And then looking at this this kitchen here, looking at this kitchen, it looks like a square to me. It looks like a square to me because dimensions, the distance from here to here is not given. But looking at it, it looks like a square. And also, what I mean here is that, so distance from here to here will be 2,100. That is 21 millimeters. If we divide that 2,100 by 100, so I'm going to use 21. And then I will also take this as 21 millimeters and also as 21 millimeters. So this line that we drew here, the line that we drew here, if I bring this line down, okay, so I need to bring this vertical line here, I need to bring it down. Okay, so that's going to create for us, it's going to create for us this, the whole of this water closet. So let's do that. So let's bring down that vertical line. So this line, so bring it down like this. Okay, so bring it down like this. All right, so we'll bring it down. Then so this 21 that we have here, so let's draw it in. Let's draw it in. Okay, so as I said that, looking at this one, it looks like a square to me. So what I will do is that I will come and take 21 millimeters here. Here I will take 21 millimeters. Okay, 21 millimeters. So this is 21 millimeters here. So taking this 21, so that will give me the kitchen and also the store. So I will draw a vertical line to make this. So this is what we have done. So here we have the kitchen here, this is it, and this, what we have here, is the store. Okay, so so we are moving on. Now let's come here and create this dining room. Let's create this dining room. So distance from here to here is for this 3,700. So what I need to do is to draw a vertical line, so up a bit like this. So that distance is not given. Okay, then I will also come here. So I will come to this point. So this line that we have here for the living room that we have here, so I'm going to draw this line. So this is where we have it. So I will draw a vertical line, so up here to meet this line, okay. Then okay, so from here, so coming to this side here, so for this bedroom that we have here, so we are going to take a measurement of 35 from here down to create that bedroom. So I will take 35 millimeters from here. So this is 35 millimeters. Alright, so then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So from here to here. Alright, so then looking at what we have here, this is a veranda. So this is a veranda here. There should be a beam here. That is not, they didn't put it there. There'll be a beam and there'll be a column here. Thank God that they stated that there is a column, a reinforced column in the specification. So there's going to be a column at this point. There's going to be a column. So I will just take it as a square column. So that's what I'm going to take it to be, a square column at this point. Okay, and there's supposed to be a beam. So that beam will be laid on this column, or they are joined together. And also this dining room that we have here, this space being left, there is a beam from here to here. There's a beam from here to here. So okay, so we work that out. So distance from here to here now, distance from here to here, it is not stated. It is not stated. Probably they wanted to state it. That's why they drew these dimension lines. I don't know. Okay, so they wanted to dimension it. So probably is or intentionally omitted. I don't know. So all right. So this is what I'm going to do. So for that distance, I will just take a measurement of 15 millimeters. I will take it as 1,500. So that is 15 millimeters. So I will just, this is 15 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I will draw a horizontal line here. Alright, so looking at what we have done here. So every compartment that we have in this room is already here. This is bedroom. Okay, we have this water closet here and here. Then we have the study room at this point. We have this bedroom here. Then coming here, we have this water closet here. We have the store at this point. We have the kitchen here. Then the dining is here. Then the living room is within this part. Then this bedroom is here. Okay, so those are the things that we are the section that we have in the building. Okay, so now let's go and work out the thickness of the wall. All right, so let's come to the walls here on the specifications. We are told here that all walls 225, and then coming down here they said 12 rendering internal and external. So we are adding this 12 with this 25, and that will give us 237. So 237 by 100 will give us 2.37. So we take the thickness of the wall as 2 millimeters. So what I'm going to do now is that we are going to make the thickness of the wall 2 millimeters. So from this point I will take a measurement of 2 millimeters here, and then coming here I will also take a measurement of 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters. Okay, then I'm going to join this together. Okay, so don't forget that this is not a wall. What we have here is not a wall. So I'll just draw from here to here. Okay, from here to here. Then I will draw from here to here. Alright, so we have done that. So then for this one, so I will take 2 millimeters inward. So this is 2 millimeters. And then coming here, I will also take 2 millimeters. Okay, then for this I can take this one inward. So I will take 2 millimeters inward here. Okay, then here I will also take 2 millimeters inward here. Alright, so here I will draw horizontal line. Then here I will draw horizontal line. Okay. Alright, so Okay, so I've done the thickness as you see there, so I'm going to pause the video and do the rest. Then when I'm done, we are going to see what I've done. Alright, I've thickened the walls as you can see here. So the next thing that we are going to do is to fix the windows. Let's fix the windows. We come to the specifications. We have two different windows. We have W1 of dimensions 1200 1200 and W2 600 by 600, all aluminum casement. But let's leave this information here. We are focusing on this for the floor plan. So let's go and fix the windows. So here we have W1 and here we have W2 W2 W1 W1 here. Okay, so let's fix the window. So at this point, just try to centralize it. So 1200 by 100 will give us 12 millimeters, to give us 12. So this is 12 millimeters here. So I'm going to okay, I need to make use of my black pen for this. All right, so here we have this and this. Okay. Okay. All right, so the next is we have W2 here, which is 6 millimeters, because we are given 600 by 100 will give us 6. So this is 6 millimeters here. So I will fix this window here. Then coming here also, I will also fix this window. So this is, and then here we have this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I will fix the windows here, then I will pause the video and also I will do it. Then when I'm done, I will come back to show you what I've done. So also we have 1200 here, that is 12 millimeters for this. So we have the windows here. Alright, so for these windows, so I'm going to produce them. Okay, then alright, so we have fixed these windows. So just let me also fix this one or these ones. Alright, so I'll pause the video and do the rest. When I'm done, I will come back and show you what we have done. Alright, we have fixed the windows as you can see here, and there's something that I didn't do when I was working on the sketch plan. So I didn't create this water closet here, so I've done it. I took 10 millimeters from here to here and 10 millimeters from here to here, so we have 15 within this, as we know that this distance from here to here is 35 millimeters. Okay, so let's take note of that. All right, so now the next thing that we are going to do is to fix the doors. Then before we go to that, so I want to fix the beam that we have here. So from here to here is the beam. Then we have a square column here, a square column. Okay, so for the column, I will just bring out this square. Okay, so this square, I'll bring it out for the square column. Alright, so this gives us the column here. Alright, so then for the beam, so we are going to put short dashes line here, Alright, so this is that's the first part. So we also need to do the same thing here for the beam. Alright, so then I can make this line to be a thick line from here to here, and also I will thicken this, bring out this wall like this. Alright, so that's the beam, and also we have the beam here for the dining. As I said, there's a beam here. Okay, so let's bring that out. So the wall, it goes in here a little bit, so just let me take like 5 millimeters. Okay, so then I'm going to draw the beam. So we use short dashed line for the beam here. Alright, so that's the beam that we have there. Okay, now let's fix the doors. This I think, well, don't let me say they created confusion for the candidates of this year paper 3. Most students, I'm happy that they were able to know that D3 was not shown in the plan. So D1 was not shown in the plan, and we have it in the specifications. So looking at this, there should be an entrance into the living room. So this is where we have D1. I know that some students we know that are supposed to be here, and they will fix it. So those are the ones that might have solved so many problems on building drawing. So we are going to fix D1 here, as we are told that all doors on 100 by 38 timber frame, and D1 is 1800 by 2100 by 50 wooden panel. So the width of D1 is 1800. So that 1800 by 100 will give us 18 millimeters. So we are going to take a measurement of 18 millimeters here. So I'm going to just create a line here, okay, like this. Then I will take 18 millimeters from here, 18 millimeters from here. So this is 18 millimeters. Okay, so then I will draw this. Okay, so then so I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So just a short vertical line, so like this. Okay, then I will connect this to it. Alright, so that is the door. So we have fixed that. So then this line, I'm going to make this line a thick line, and I'll also make this line a thick line, and this, and here also I'll make this line a thick line from here to here, and this line also I will make it a thick line from here to here. Alright, so we have this. So now other doors, I'm going to fix them while I pause the video. Just let me show you something here. For D2, the width is 900, so the height is 2100, as we have that of D1. Okay, then we also have D3 750 by 2100. So the width for D3 is 750. So we divide each of them by 100. So I'm going to fix that. You have seen me fixed one here. When I'm done, you will see those ones that I'm going to do. Then we look at the next thing that we are going to do. Alright, so this is how the plan will look. I fixed the doors. As you can see, the doors here. and I also drew the east projection, which the 750 as given in the specifications. We have east projection 750, and if you divide that by 100, that will give you 7.5. So that is what I've done here for the east projection. Also, I drew the cutting plane as we have here, and then I've written a sketch plan here, and the scale that we used is 1:100. I'm supposed to write a scale here, so 1:100. So that is what I've done. Also, I have also labeled or written the function of each of these section within the building. So all you need to do is to practice, and let's meet on the front elevation. Thank you, and God bless you.